what? Bad idea, should've tried to add it up. Hands in my cup, try to find my luck. I'm getting stuck. Looking for a reason, throw it all away. That's better cause I don't know what to say. Leading me astray, it's like you do this every day. I don't wanna be your prey. Put it in motion, didn't get the notion. My shit list cause I think you lack emotion. Of course it's my fault, keeping my heart open. I could cut you off, need to find a way to focus. Put it in motion, didn't get the notion. My shit list cause I think you lack emotion. No, it's my fault, my options open. I could cut you off, need to find a way to focus. I won't act like I care. Putting on my blinds like the problem ain't there. Not treating me fair. I need a witness to tell me it's there. Predict from the start, now in need of repair. Not doing this right. I'm in this make cause it's something I like. The last dance tonight, I'm fast, I'm fired, I get out. Honestly, I made this quick for you. When I notice, you never hit me out. So I'm floating only cause they pick me up. Or you'll never miss me out, or you'll never trip me out. You got my face from you, now I'm running, I jump over barbed wire. She's onto it, she wants to join me as an outsider. I need a motor, suppresses all of her D. Run fast, the flood line, I can't get out. Now it's 2 for 2, a plot twist, could never switch to no. Down me this bridge, but never bridging out. Around me the bridge, there never is one. I'm gonna cross the river once. I know I'm making it hoodie, I just gotta lose fire. Try to switch gears when my wrist's tired. I do my best, but I found a nail in my rear tires. I need a motor, suppresses all of her desires. That's a flaming fire, the line, she caught the wire. Put it in motion, didn't get the notion. My shit list, cause I think you lack emotion. Of course it's my fault, keeping my heart open. I can cut you off, need to find a way to focus. Put it in motion, didn't get the notion. My shit list, cause I think you lack emotion. No, it's my fault, my options open. I can cut you off, need to find a way to focus. What happened, Rick? I thought you wanted to go.